instead of using personal details, if it has to do with maybe what's their property property information that they're looking at or stuff like that, there is a field that we've got, which is is it priorities? Yeah, priorities. So, what are their needs, wants, and goals? You might use that one for they're needing a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, or needing whatever. You can put those priorities in the priorities field, and it kind of does the same thing. It's a special name for special contents. The other option is just to create your own custom field for that and then include that custom field in your list of available fields. So you could create your own, depending on what you're collecting that information on, have a special field just for that information that can be put in there. And that's just done in the custom. When you come into your settings, go into setup, menu options, and then manage custom fields. You can create your own custom fields in a specific tab. So like I created a tab here called search preferences, where it's their property, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, garage, stuff like that. You could actually create something similar. And then whenever they're filling out their form, it fills out these fields to be specifically what they filled out in the form. And then that way you can just go straight to that contact record and be able to see the actual information that's in there. So here's search preferences. So this could have been a form that they filled out. They wanted a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage on 5 acres in Dallas, or whatever.
So you personalize the search preferences first, the menu, and then you go to work to the website forms and select those fields you created before.
Correct. Yeah, correct. So that way you can always come to this one thing and you know exactly what they're looking for.